our journey, we cannot overlook the challenges we have faced along the way, from political upheavals to social injustices. PDP has weathered every storm with resilience and determination. Our party has always stood firm in its commitment to the principles of democracy, equality, and progress. Looking ahead, we recognize that the road ahead may be fraught with obstacles. Our country is confronted with complex issues today. However, in the face of adversity, PDP remains unwavering in its dedication to serving the people and building a brighter future for our nation. Napakahalaga po ng 42nd years. It stands poised at a critical juncture in history, where the decisions we make today will shape the course of our nation for generations to come. With unity, determination, and a steadfast commitment to our principles, we will navigate through these turbulent times and emerge stronger than ever before. Let us work hand in hand to address the pressing issues facing our nation and to create an inclusive society where every Filipino can realize their full potential. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na naririto. Mabuhay po ang PDP.
Thank you, Senator Tom Tolentino.